Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to show and hide the path bar on the Find application using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the Find application, which is built into the Mac computer. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go all around to the dock, go to the Find application. Now let's go to the top toolbar, click on View, and the purpose of this tutorial is to show and hide the path bar. So let's click on Hide Path Bar. As you can see, the path bar on the bottom of your screen is no longer visible on screen. Go back to View, Show Path Bar. We can also use a keyboard shortcut to remove the path bar. Command Option and P. We can now see that the path bar is no longer visible. In order for us to bring back the path bar, it's the same keyboard shortcut, Command Option and P, and there we go. So why would we want to have the path bar visible on screen? Well, we can then see what current folder we are on and the path bar. Let's just navigate to the Macintosh hard drive, and then we can go to Applications. So now we know that this is the path bar from the hard drive to the applications. If I would, let's just say, go back to Documents, go one back, then I know for sure that we are in the Computer Science Videos folder. Go to Documents, and there we have the path bar on screen. If we do not have the path bar on screen, Command Option P, then we will not be able to identify the pathway. And so you definitely would want to have the path bar visible on screen, Command Option and P. So we can now quit Finder. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.